Hi students, welcome to Gen 103 Information Literacy. My name is Stacy Manning and I am one of the lead faculty members in the Academic Engagement Center here at UAGC. I wanted to create this video just to show you an example of what an introduction video, a video for an introduction response can look like. So in the right section of the introduction instructions, you'll see that the first thing that you're going to talk about, either if you decide to type out your response or if you decide to do it in video, as I am illustrating here, is you're going to describe yourself, including your hobbies, your special interests, your family, basically what makes you you. For me personally, being a teacher isn't what I do, it's who I am. Literally, after 15 years, I love getting in my classes, engaging with my students, setting them up for success. So I'm really lucky that they actually pay me to do this job. I have a family. I'm close with my siblings, my nieces and nephews. I have a wonderful boyfriend, and we have 3 cats and a dog. We also have a cabin on the river in the middle of nowhere in the country, which I use as my sanctuary to rejuvenate. That's where I try to spend my weekends. Share your degree program and your future career and professional goals. That's a little bit different for me, obviously, than it will be for you. I have multiple degrees. My graduate degree is in American history. And when I went back to school for the second time, to be perfectly honest, I wasn't as successful as I wanted to be right out of high school. I returned to college as an adult learner, just like many of you. And I knew early on that I wanted to teach at the college level. So my education certainly made my professional goals and dreams into reality. Hold on one second. We're getting video bombed by one of the fur kids. Say hi to students. See, instructors are real people just like y'all too. So now we're going to think back to your experience in your first course, which would have been ASH 101 or Business 105. So think back to the personal development plan that you created and one of those goals, and then put that into the context of how you can build upon it in information literacy in this class. So think about time management and study habits, the interactive that you completed at the beginning of your introduction, right, in the prepare section. When you read that, what really resonated with you? How does that come into play with what happened in your first course? So for me personally, I'm an early bird. I do have pressure cooker tendencies, so that I know that for me, procrastination is not my friend. I have to stay on track and I have to be organized. And that has helped lead to many successes that I've had in all aspects of my life as well. Describe what information literacy means to you. If you're not sure right now, that's okay. You can say that too. Information literacy, obviously for this course, is really looking at how to use an academic library, what it is, what it can do, how to make using it not so scary or intimidating. We're going to learn about how to properly, we're going to begin learning about how to properly cite in APA format. We're going to learn about how to effectively analyze and utilize tools and for evaluating resources. We're going to learn what sources are appropriate and which ones aren't. So all kinds of different things. So talk a little bit about, what you think information literacy means and what you're really hoping to learn, and what skills you want to build as we complete the class. Now, before I let you go, I do want to include one reminder about the live learning sessions that are required for this class. They're 30 minutes long. You only have to attend one. To access them and register, you click on the live learning link in the left-hand menu bar of the class. I strongly encourage you to register and sign up for the live session, which will be offered through Zoom. Do it early. It's truly in your best interest to do it in weeks 1, 2, maybe even week 3. Technically, you can do it a little bit later, but I think it really is best for you to do it early, because you'll be learning information in the live learning session that you'll have to incorporate as part B in part 2 of the final project. So they're fun, they're a half an hour long, they're interesting, you get to meet other students, and it's useful information because you need it to successfully complete your final projects. That's it for now. Thanks for listening, and I will see you in class. All the best.